What question can I ask you? Give me a suggestion.
Ukuthi upresident wase South Africa ngubani?
Isikhambi ngake impela ngake isikhambi awukho nahali shem wa understand.
No, let's twist it up. What is the deputy president of South Africa?
Oh no way, bro! I know, it had to be said.
Who's the name? What's the name of the deputy president of South Africa? Need to look up copies.
Deputy president of South Africa. I think is Bheki Cele.
Hey man, what is wrong with you niggas, man?
What's with you, Bheki Cele, bitch? The praise is not praising, yeah. Go act. No.